Hi, welcome to my YouTube automotive channel. In this video I'm gonna show you location of the fuse box on 2011 BMW 7 Series. This particular model is 750i X-Drive. So this vehicle have two fuse boxes, and I'm gonna show you the first one. So the first fuse box I'm gonna show you is located on the passenger side in the glove box. So once when you open the glove box and look inside, you're gonna see this compartment. So in my case I just lift this up and then pull it towards me. Take it out, and now right inside you can see your fuses. The second fuse box is located in the trunk. So if you open the trunk, and on your right hand side you can see this little compartment. You can just pull it from here, take it out, and now right here you can see your second fuse box. And in this one we have a little paper where actually we can see the diagram, numbers of the fuses, so you can see which fuse is for what, and you can check it out or replace it if you have any problems. This is gonna be the same location on BMW 7 Series from 2009 to 2015. I hope this video was helpful, and thanks for watching.